Hey everyone, the latest addition to Xiaomi's tablet lineup, the Xiaomi Pad 7, is crafted to bring together functionality, style, and versatility for users who are constantly on the go. With advanced hardware and design improvements, this tablet offers a dynamic experience for productivity, streaming, and creative pursuits, all in a sleek and portable package. Here's a closer look at what makes the Xiaomi Pad 7 a strong contender in the competitive tablet market. One of the most striking features of the Xiaomi Pad 7 is its 11.2-inch high-resolution 3.2K display, which delivers vibrant colors and sharp details. Designed to enhance productivity, the screen has a 3:2 aspect ratio, a format that gives users extra vertical space, perfect for viewing more content at once. The high pixel density and color accuracy make this display ideal for both work tasks and immersive streaming sessions, providing a truly engaging visual experience. Under the hood, Xiaomi Pad 7 runs on Snapdragon 7 Plus Gen 3 processor, which offers a substantial boost in power and efficiency compared to previous models. This powerful chipset is optimized for smooth multitasking, allowing users to run multiple apps without lag or delay. From editing tasks and light gaming to running productivity apps and AI-enhanced tools, the Pad 7's processor ensures that users can transition seamlessly between tasks. For anyone who values performance in a portable device, the Snapdragon 7 Plus Gen 3 processor is a reliable choice that brings efficiency and capability to each interaction. The Xiaomi Pad 7 is built to last throughout a busy day, thanks to its 8,850 mAh battery that can support hours of usage without the need to recharge. When it does come time to recharge, 45-watt fast charging capabilities allow users to quickly get back to work or play. Whether you're catching up on a series, attending virtual meetings, or reading through online lessons, the Pad 7 is equipped to handle it all, providing both endurance and quick recharging options for uninterrupted usage. Being one of the first Xiaomi tablets to support Wi-Fi 7, the Pad 7 is equipped for faster, more reliable network speeds. The new Wi-Fi standard offers expanded bandwidth, which is particularly beneficial for streaming HD content, making high-quality video calls, and downloading large files. The Xiaomi Pad 7 operates on Xiaomi HyperOS 2, an operating system designed to provide a seamless, user-friendly experience. HyperOS 2 introduces new interactive elements and supports efficient multitasking, making it easier than ever to handle daily tasks. Moreover, HyperOS 2 is deeply integrated with Xiaomi's ecosystem, allowing users to connect with other Xiaomi devices for a cohesive digital experience. This connectivity is perfect for users who already use Xiaomi products, as it offers a unified and responsive platform across devices. With the Xiaomi Pad 7, Xiaomi has created a well-rounded tablet that bridges productivity, creativity, and entertainment in a sleek and portable package. Its high-resolution display, powerful processor, long battery life, advanced connectivity, and user-friendly OS make it a standout choice for those who need a versatile device for both work and play. Starting at an accessible price, the Pad 7 offers value for consumers looking to invest in a tablet that can keep up with a fast-paced mobile lifestyle. Thanks for watching. I hope you find this video useful. Have a nice day and God bless you.